Welcome to Pentagram Motorsport. Welcome to Messy Garage. You know, they say everything happens for a reason. When you joined us last time, we were still looking for a track bike. A project bike to use at the Croft Circuit Trackday next month. Well, things have moved on, as you can see. This is our Suzuki 750 GSX-R. It's a 1996 bike, carburetor fed SRAD. The SRAD has ram air, so you can see these big carbon fibre intakes that force air through these ducts into the body of the carburetors. It has a few nice bits on it, and I've been doing some shakedown runs. The idea being that we shake out any bugs from the bike before we take it on the circuit, because the last thing I want to do is take it on the track and find out that something's wrong with it. But like I say, things happen for a reason. I've taken it out on some evening tests. Last night I took it out and it decided to throw its chain off. Every cloud has a silver lining, but every silver lining has a cloud. I came rolling to a stop right outside a pub. Unfortunately, the pub was closed. Since this happened, I haven't been able to start the bike. I'm wondering if some of the wiring has been taken out with the chain. So I'm going to pull this fairing off, pull these plastic covers off, get into the bike and see what we find. So there we have it. You've seen inside the guts of the bike. Unfortunately, the thing won't start at the moment, but hopefully we'll get it running. I'll be happy to order new China sprockets and we get it going again. If the thing genuinely won't start, it's more of a project than we perhaps thought it was. But don't worry, I'm sure there'll be a plan B.